Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Hamza and today I am going to present my topic Understanding Sentence, Constituent and Tree Diagram. Language is made up of words, but words alone do not create meaning. They work together in organized structures in linguistics. Understanding sentence structure helps us see how language actually functions. Today's presentation focuses on two important concepts. The first one is constituent and the other one is tree diagram and how they helps us analyze sentence structure. Introduction to constituent. Let us begin with the concept of constituent. Constituent are group of words that work together as a single unit inside a sentence. They are considered the building blocks of sentence structure because they allow us to divide complex sentences into similar, meaningful parts. For example, in the phrase, the quick fox, all three words functions together as one unit, so they form a constituent. If we see another example, jumped over the fence. This example acts as one single unit and forms another constituent. Understanding constituents helps us identify how words connect and create meaningful in a sentence. How to identify constituent? Now the question is, how do we know whether words form a constituent? There are three common tests. Number one is constituent uh, substitution test. Replace a group of words with a pronoun or a shorter unit. For example, the cat sit on the mat. Replace the cat with it. This sentence becomes it sit or sat on the mat. Since the meaning remains clear, the cat is a constituent. If we see another method is movement test. Move a group of words to another position. For example, original sentence, the cat sit on the mat. Move on the mat, the cat sat. Because the meaning still works, the phrase is a constituent. The third one method is coordination test. Join phrases using words like and or or. Example, the cat sat on the mat and by the door. This shows both phrases functions similarly. These tests helps a linguistic identify sentence structure. And what are tree diagrams? After identifying constituent, the next step is representing them visually through tree diagram. Tree diagram shows how constituents connect to form a sentence and reveal the hierarchical organization of language. A tree diagram contains three main elements. Number one is node or nodes, points that represent words or phrase. And the second one is branches, line connecting elements and showing relationships. And number three is labels, symbols or such as subject for subject, NP for noun phrase or VP for verb phrase. For example, in this sentence, she runs. The sentence divides into noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase is she and verb phrase is runs. Tree diagram make sentence analysis easier and more visual. Building a tree diagram by step. Now let us see how to build a tree diagram. We will use the sentence the dog chased the ball. Step 1. Identify constituent. Divide the sentence into noun phrase and verb phrase. Here the noun phrase is the dog and the verb phrase is chased the ball. Step 2. Label parts of the speech. Assign grammatical labels. Determiner the noun is dog, verb is chased, then determiner is P and ball is noun. Step 3. Draw branches. Start with S at the top. Split it into noun phrase and verb phrase. Then divide each phrase into similar categories until individual words appear. This process reveals the internal structure of a sentence. In conclusion, to conclude today's what we learned about Constituent are group of words acting as a single unit or one unit. They help us understanding sentence organization. And tree diagram visually represent the sentence structure and the constituent and tree diagram together make analysis easier. Understanding these concepts improves our language or knowledge of grammar, sentence, and language analysis. Thank you for listening.